Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com.
We'll be taking a look at this Persol model, Suprema 3050V in color code 95. It's a black color frame. On the temples here, we have a silver Persol detailing. This is the inside of the frame. This frame is made in Italy. And at the temple tip, we have a Persol writing in silver. The other side of the temple is the same. These are demo lenses stamped with a Persol logo in black on the left lens. The style of the frame is full rim rectangular. Up here we have a Persol gift box, a case to put your glasses in, a microfiber cleaning cloth, and an authenticity booklet.
Thank you for watching. If you want to check out these frames, make sure to check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.